prospecting, when you make initial contact, you say, or leaving a message, we're connected on LinkedIn, etc. What if you're not? How do you handle that?
Okay, so we have to take a moment. We got to think how we're connected with this person, Barry. So tell me real high level, real quick, what is it that you do?
Commercial real estate brokerage firm consulting.
Got it. And where did you find this person if you didn't find them through LinkedIn?
Probably in a lead or a list that tells me who the principals of commercial real estate companies are.
Perfect. What city are they in?
Right now I'm working on San Diego, San Jose, and Santa Barbara.
Perfect. Hey, Matt, it's Barry. I'm in charge of all of our commercial real estate consulting for our VIP clients. And sorry, I think you said San Diego. In San Diego, I was thinking about you guys this morning, and I've got an idea that I'd love to get your opinion on. Could you call me on my mobile, 720-660-3202? What I did there is I just took the city and I took their title and combined that. And by the way, I gave them a little extra juice, a little compliment, VIP clients, important clients, higher level clients, okay? And I gave myself some credibility by saying I'm in charge of, okay? Not I'm reaching out. Listen to the difference. Hey Barry, it's Matt with Acme Real Estate Consulting. I'm reaching out to all commercial brokerages in San Diego, and if I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to share a few ideas with you. Versus, hey Barry, it's Matt with Acme Real Estate Consultants. I'm in charge of all of the top tier commercial brokerages in San Diego. Was thinking about you guys this morning. Had an idea I'd love to get your opinion on. I'm on my mobile. 720-660-3202. Now, my daughter gives me crap for this all the time. Bella, if you're watching, hi. Okay. Well, Dad, why do you say mobile? Right? And I'm sure if this was on social, there'd be some, what a dork. He says mobile, right? Here's why I say mobile. This sounds like I'm a guy about to board a jet, because sometimes I am about to board a jet, that's important, that has authority, that has credibility, that has other things to do in my day besides call center, spamming people to talk to them about their extended warranty. That's why I say I'm on my mobile. I'm on the go, right? I'm busy too. I'm a high net worth. I'm a high credibility. I'm a high authority person. Right? I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. The other reason why I say I'm on my mobile is I want them to know to feel free to text me. I don't say feel free to text me because I prefer to have them call me because I want to have a human interaction. But if they text me, I'm cool with that too, right? So you can always play around with the city, the connection. Just think of a connection, right? Because you have to have a connection. If you don't have a connection, it's a spammy call. It's extended warranty. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.